Today we'll write out a function from an AFU to Excel. We'll begin from the end of an earlier demonstration. We'll go to the XY function navigator and we'll load the AFU that we'd like to export. Now here, if we simply right click on it and say export, we won't see any formats that look like something that Excel would like. And that's because an AFU can consist of multiple functions. So here we'll need to first select the one we want before we can export it to a CSV. However, instead of using the direct export, I prefer to plot the function first to confirm that it's the data that we want to export, and then we can also modify the units that we'd like to use in the CSV file that we'll write out. So here I'll change them from G's to inches per second, and then we can go ahead and right click on the curve and say export. We'll select CSV, select a name for the file, and then we can select the numbering format, either fixed, scientific, or automatic. We'll leave it at automatic, and then go ahead and open up the CSV file that was written out. Here we'll get a message from Excel saying, what do you want to do with the E? Do you want to convert that to scientific notation? And we do. And here you can see the header for the units for each of the columns. And that's how to write out a function from an AFU to Excel.